All right, my love. Now, for the last time, are you going to make me the happiest man on earth or not?
Why even ask such a stupid question?
Well, I'm going to give you a chance to sit and think that one over.
Help! Help!
What happens next? You'll find out on the upcoming show.
Roar, 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 Linus the Lionhearted. Linus is the one who lines up the fun. He's the host of which we boast. So roar, 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 Linus the king, Linus the star, Linus the Lionhearted.
Greetings. Today we are going to play hide and seek, not it.
Not it. Not it. Not it. Not it.
Grouse, you called not it last.
I did not. That was that mockingbird imitating me. Oh, stop grousing. You know, that's why they call you Grouse.
Because he is going to be a good sport, the grouse will be it.
I knew it. I'm always it. I don't even like these childish games.
Stop grousing and count to 100.
All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
While the
15,
grouse counts
16,
and we all hide,
17,
I
18,
suggest
19,
that you watch this story. Linus is the one who lines up the fun. He's awake about with a lion's heart. Oh, wait till he... Dum dee da dee da 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 dum. I have got to be more careful. I owe it to my subjects. The lifeguard stand must have been turned around by a gust of wind. Despair, your king will be there.
I can't swim very good. I can't swim at all, as a matter of fact. Somebody help. Oh, I can't swim.
Boyd, I thought you were drowning, but you're not even wet.
I said, help, help, I can't swim. I didn't say, help, help, I can't fly.
Help, help. I can't swim either. Help.
Do not be fooled. It is just that Boyd again.
What bird?
Billy Boyd.
Help, I can't swim either. Help.
Hey, lifeguard, you hear that?
Help, help, help. I can't swim either. Help.
Hold on out there!
Help.
Boyd, I do not have time to talk to you. I am needed.
Oh, just a second. Let me put this there.
Help, help. I can't swim either. Help.
Hey, Linus, you just lost your swim trunks. Funny.
I can't swim either. Help, help, help. I can't swim either. Help.
Hey, you know what? That's not really a person. That's a tape recording of someone. Me. You see, I recorded a phony voice and then floated it out as a joke. Isn't that good? Isn't that good?
boy, do you know what I am going to do?
No, but whatever it is, I know you'll bear in mind that my jokes are only in fun. They prove I like you because I know you have a terrific sense of humor.
I am going to give you a talking to.
Oh, you mean you're just gonna talk? Just gonna tell me about how I should mend my ways and all? Yeah, you're right. You know, I should mend them.
Yeah, only I am going to do my talking under water.
You understand, you never play a joke except on somebody you love. Well, I'm gonna mend my ways. That's enough talking, that's enough. I heard you. Can't we stay up here a while? Here, much better. 9900. Anyone around my base is in. Kangaroo. 1, 2, 3, behind the date palm, where he always is. And he's cheating, Linus. Like he always is. Oh, shut up. You're caught. Now sit down and watch the next story.
Every time it rains, big fat pennies from heaven. Now, don't you know each cloud contains multitudinous wealth from heaven? You'll find your fortune falling all over town. Hi, Granny baby.
Hi, sugar. Pennies from heaven. If I could make it rain pennies, I'd be so rich. Well, why not? Ringity-rangity-rah, one turn into a guitar. Every time it rains big fat pennies from heaven. And it worked. It's a real penny. Don't you know each cloud contains multitudinous wealth from heaven? Boo-boo-boo-doo. You'll find your fortune falling.
So her fortune's been falling, eh? Well, it looks like mine is looking up. Providing I can think of a way to get all that money for myself. Wait, I've got it.
Oh, hello.
Ah, Granny Goodwitch. Let me stand here and drink in your beauty. These are for you. I love you, my darling. Will you marry me?
Marry you?
Here comes the bride. Here comes the bride.
I wouldn't marry you for love or money. In fact, I think that's what you're after, my money.
Playing coy, eh? Well, I'm switching to the bold approach. Sweet William, take her to the dungeon. All right, my love. Now, for the last time, are you going to make me the happiest man on earth or not?
Why even ask such a stupid question? Who'd marry a prune puss like you?
Puss, eh? Well, I'm going to give you a chance to sit and think that one over.
Oh, help, Sugar Bear, save me. Marvin has me in his dungeon. Help!
Hold on, Granbo. I believe, yes, I believe. Oh, yes, Granny Goodwitch will be okay.
Surely that mangy bear wouldn't be fool enough to try a rescue.
Yeah, I believe. Yeah.
Sweet William, stop, Sugar Bear, or I'll have your tail feathers.
No. You're right today. I believe, I believe, oh yeah.
Bungling bird.
Yes,
I'll have to stop him myself.
Buggy. Ho. Hey, Merv, baby, think fast. I doubt old Merv will stop running till next week.
Sugar, since I have a wedding dress on anyway, why don't we get married?
Hey, stop that. Hey, Prune Puss, wait for your old pal.
The grouse is it for hide and seek.
Shh. I heard that. Tap, tap, somebody behind that rock.
You cannot say tap, tap, someone. Therefore, during the upcoming commercial, I am moving.
Cheater?
The grouse is it for hide and seek.
This is stupid. I'm sitting and watching the next story.
I got something good to eat for him. I said it was for Lawrence. Here, boy. Here, Lawrence. Oh, gee, that's funny. He never stayed away when there was a big old bone to chew on.
Dear Nephew Peaceful, how are you?
Oh, I'm awful. Something awful's happened. Lawrence is missing.
Yours truly will find him as soon as I deliver my last letter. Why, what a coincidence. This letter is for you, Possum. I will read it to you. Goodbye forever. Signed, Lawrence. That silly dog has run away.
Where should we look, Uncle Truly?
Let's see now. Where would be the best place to look for a runaway dog?
I, Richard Harry Nearly, silent movie star and part-time dog catcher, shall follow them and apprehend that unlicensed beast once and for all.
Let's see now. Dog biscuits, dog college, dog and cat hospital, dog and cat hospital. Do you suppose?
Aha! I shall take a shortcut and get there first. Let's see. I'd better work fast if I'm going to find Lawrence. Uh-oh.
Dear nurse, we are looking for a small white dog that goes by the name of Lawrence the dog.
You'll have to ask Dr. Ben Nasty. Where will I hide? Ah, yes.
Nurse, 403 in the operating room immediately. Prepare him for a thorough weather analysis and be sure and complete the flea job follows it up.
Down, boy, down, boy.
Here we are at Mr. Arf's Poodle Salon.
Gee, Uncle Lovable, do you really think Lawrence would disguise himself as a French poodle?
Monsieur, may I be of assistance?
Dear beauty parlor of dogs, man. Yours truly is seeking a dog.
Monsieur, exactly what kind of dog? What is his pedigree?
Lawrence is a mutt or mongrel or something.
Mongrel? No cheers.
Yours truly will just have a look around, thank you.
Horrors, they'll spot me unless...
All of these here dogs are too beautiful to be Lawrence so far.
Wonderful! Simply wonderful. Horrors.
Now, we'll just clip your ears a bit and you'll be the most beautiful.
Oh, gee, Uncle Lovable, how will we ever find Lawrence among all those dogs?
So that little mutt thinks she can escape me by joining the army. Uh-oh, that pesky postman.
Attention! Right, hey!
Canine Corps Induction Center. Horrors.
Here's a rare one. A poodle-headed magnificent.
Oh.
You, over here.
Where should we look next, Uncle Lovable?
Well, dear nephew, I'll have to give that some thought.
Gee, I had such a nice big bone for him. Lawrence, it's you! I love you, Lawrence. Give me a kiss.
Won't you move away from home base and give someone a chance to call Ollie income free or home free or whatever you call it in this jungle? I'm standing right here. Good. Home free. Oh, that's shh. There's a commercial coming.
Guess who is standing right behind this tree?
It's Linus. Tap, tap, Linus. 1, 2, 3, right behind that tree.
Wrong. That was the mockingbird. That was the mockingbird. And during this story, we are both moving. We are both moving.
Greetings, children friends. Today we have story of the jester who took himself seriously.
Another joke. A man saying, you take a shower. Other man say, why? There's shower missing.
I got funny jester.
He arrived! What lightning wit! Shimmer dog. Hold it, baby. My famous pie throw.
Oh,
You a wonderful audience today.
You rolling in aisle.
Then set him up in the other aisle. Hey, Princess, I roll him in the aisle, hmm?
If you think that's important.
Why you say it not important I roll people in the aisle?
Because laughter wrong. Life sad and serious.
It is?
You a shallow person.
Ignore gloomy princess. You funny.
I wish I could, but I'm madly in love with Gloomy Princess. That's not joke. Maybe you're pretty shallow yourself.
Jester, visiting King Kong many mile to see your famous pie throw act. Oh, this gon' roll you in the aisle.
Life, sad and serious. Millions starving. I give pie to them.
One pie for millions?
Sometimes he even funnier, huh?
She right. I shallow.
Come in carriage. I show you life in raw. Poor family, starving, hopeless.
Oh, sad and serious.
Beggar, ragged, homeless.
Oh, serious.
Hey, Jester, what's up?
Sky.
Sky.
I'm sorry I was so shallow. Everywhere trouble. Life sad and serious.
Enough. Who need gloomy Jester? Out!
King, fire me. I off to give pie to poor people.
Keep pie. Otherwise, now you starve yourself.
You mean I'm not shallow anymore? We can get married.
Married?
Yes, and starve together.
A princess marry a jester? A gloomy, jobless jester? That's the best joke you ever made. I tell everyone.
She, the shallow person.
Get this, that jester actually think Princess Mary.
Presenting famous pie throw.
So, back to shallow.
Not exactly.
Moral of story, honorable children friends? Life sometimes so sad, it laughable.
You wondering who that lady? That no lady. That almost my wife.
The poor grouse is a lousy hide-and-seeker. Consequently, I am going to give him a hint.
Tap so high behind the rock. I heard you roar so high. Wrong, grouse. That was Linus.
So I can't roar.
You dumbbell. Well, you're the dumbbells. I just wanted to see you standing up. Now, tap, tap, Billy Bird, 1, 2, 3, behind that stump, and tap, tap so high, right over there behind that tree, and tap, tap, Sugar Bear behind that rock, and tap, tap, Crocodile in the ferns near the lake, and tap, tap, Rory right over there.
Well, the grouse is a grouse, but he is not a dumbbell, except when it comes to getting along with others. Well, the game is over, and so is today's show, and we'll see you next week.
And Tap Tap Linus blabbing about his idiotic show.
Love.